Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. I have always been featuring modern trains like the MRT, the BTS SkyTrain, and the Airport Link. And today I'm going to be featuring a vintage locomotive. In Thai, they refer to it as Khun Thwat or great-great-grandpa, which is a vintage locomotive or steam train. It's probably over 100 years old, as they call it Khun Thwat or great-great-grandfather. We are now at 𝚃𝚑𝚊𝚒𝚘 railway station to welcome Khun Thwat, great-great-grandpa. It's a steam train and it only goes out during special occasions, like today is Father's Day. So this is 𝚃𝚑𝚊𝚒 railway station of the SRT. Now the State Railway of Thailand has been servicing the people of Thailand for over 100 years. It was founded in 1890 and still services until present. So let's have a look at this vintage beauty. And now here comes the steam engine train. So about a month ago, they used this train, this steam locomotive going to Ayutthaya. And this time, Father's Day, they are using it for 𝚂𝚌𝚒 province. So we're gonna check out Khun Thwat, great-great-grandfather. We are at 𝚃𝚑𝚊𝚒 station of the State Railway. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.